Hi friends, welcome back to another What's for Dinner with me at cookswellwithothers.com. I'm Cheri and I'm super excited to share the recipes that I made last week for my family. We started out on Sunday where we were just kind of having a patio day, so I wanted to use the grill and I made some grilled buffalo chicken flatbreads. I used some naan bread, tossed some chicken with some buffalo sauce, kind of closed the grill and just kind of let it do its thing. So those were a hit with everybody, which is always nice. Sunday night, I knew I kind of had a busy week, so I meal prepped some Southwest chicken salads. I grilled some chicken, threw together like a barbecue ranch dressing to go on top of that with some cheese and some black beans, and that kind of helped me out a little bit through the week. Monday night for dinner, I made some cheesy pesto chicken with tomatoes. I also made some fettuccine alfredo on the side. It was a huge hit with everybody. My daughter even said it was one of her new favorites, so that's always nice. We did have some of those left over as well. They were really good reheated. Tuesday night, air fryer breakfast sandwiches. So easy. Some sausage in the air fryer. It starts out with, just made some eggs, put everything together in the air fryer and it crisped up. Cheese was melted. Very easy to clean up, and who doesn't love breakfast for dinner, right? Wednesday night, I made some chicken banh mi tacos. A quick tip here is if you're going to be making that during the week, is to maybe do the pickled veggies like on the weekend, or even just double it so that you have it if you ever want to have it again. We had the pickled veggies left over, so really all I had to do that night was grill the chicken, and everybody put together their very own chicken banh mi tacos. Luckily enough, I made enough so that Thursday night we could just have leftovers. That's kind of what I try to do, is make more than I think that we're gonna need. That way I don't have to make dinner every single night of the week. So all of those recipes are linked below for you if you wanted to check those out. Those and lots of other recipes are also available at cookswellwithothers.com. So I will be back next week to share with you what I'm making for dinner this week. Have a good week.